Hey guys, I've got the Estarli Frunk bag here, which is specifically designed for the e-cargo for the front rack for this area here, and I'm going to show you how to fit it and some of its uses. So I got one out of the box earlier, which I've got here, which I've kind of opened up, and you can see on the bag we've got a few different straps and attachments. So first thing we just want to make note of is these ones here. These Velcro straps are for securing it in place on the rack here. So the first thing you want to do is put your bag in like so and just do up those straps. They're Velcro, so you just rest them on top of one another. Just stops the bag moving around. It's generally pretty secure within this casing anyway. So this is just added security. So we're going to put those all on like so. And then we can open the bag up. Now, we kind of refer to this as a material crate because the bag is designed to be used in two ways. You can either concertina it down and have it as a fully waterproof rolled up bag where you just kind of roll the tops down and then you secure them with the straps at the side. So that makes you fully waterproof, you're nice and watertight, and your stuff is secure in there. But the more useful use case for it, I think, is opening the bag up into this kind of crate form. We've got this little Velcro strap here that you attach to the top of the handlebar. This moves around with it. It's kind of okay. This just helps keep everything in shape and keep everything secure. Okay, so this is a well-used bag, so there may be a few marks on it, so please excuse those. But we've got at the back a really handy pocket. So this is for securing your items, such as your phone or your wallet. So they sit nicely in there. And then we've just got this general outer space that we can use. Let's just give you an idea of its capacity. So I'm just going to pack a couple of items that we've got hanging around here. So the trusty jet wash, which is featured on other videos. So we're going to put that in there. We've got our bottle of water. A couple of bottles of No Secco for later on. There we go. We have a picnic blanket, even though it's the start of December. An umbrella, we're going to put into the front section. And then we're just going to take our lock with us as well, which will fit in down the side. So I've just done that to give you a sense of how humongous the space is in here. So look, that was a pretty random collection of bits that we put in there, but it was really just to demonstrate the space that we've got available. And trust me, from personal experience, it's a really, really useful storage space. So I put kids' rucksacks in there if they don't want to wear them while they're on the back. You can put helmets on when the kids have got off, and all the other junk that goes along with school runs. So it's a really, really valuable space. I really recommend you give it a go.